first Powertool race. Let me hear you say yeah. All right, if this is your second or third or whatever, let me hear you say yeah. All right. Who plans on coming back? Good to hear. We like audiences. Couple of last minute safety things and we should be ready to go. I said this earlier, but if you see a car jump track and come hurtling towards you, I recommend you jump back. We are working with power tools after all. I think we're almost ready. Who's ready to race? I said, who's ready to race?